Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you can use for free 11 Labs AI. Yes, that's right, for free unlimited characters. Let's get started. As we know, 11 Labs has two main features. One is speech synthesis, where you can convert any given text into human-like speech. You can select the voice you like, enter your text, and generate the speech. Another super cool feature of 11 Labs is its Voice Labs, where you can clone a voice from a sample recording. In other words, you can clone your own voice or upload any other celebrity voice and get the audio generated in that tone. Crazy, isn't it? 11 Labs pricing starts from $5 to all the way to $330 per month. And they also have a free plan with which you can generate 10,000 characters per month and access to 3 custom voices. Those 10,000 characters will finish really fast, and you must wait 1 month for another 10,000 characters. So how can we get more than 10,000 characters? Well, here's the trick that I'm going to show you. 11 Labs allow users to sign up to their platform using a temporary email address. You can make use of a temporary email services such as Temp Email to create a free account on 11 Labs. Copy that email and paste it on 11 Labs. Set a password and click on Sign Up button after that. Check your Temp Email where 11 Labs will send you a link to verify the email address. Once you have verified your email address, you are all set to use 11 Labs. When you are out of 10,000 characters, use another temp email address to create a new 11 Labs account, and you can keep doing it unlimited times. That's all about it. Now, you can make use of 11 Labs for free without worrying about the character limit. But one limitation of 11 Labs free plan is that instant voice cloning feature is only available on the paid plan. But if you just want to use the amazing AI voice of 11 Labs without character limit and without paying, then this method is working perfectly as of now. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you are using for your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future.